My name is Tiago. I have been working in the tanneries of ISA for over 15 years. ISA was founded in 1995. We have 4 tanneries around the globe in the USA, Vietnam, China, and Italy. Our headquarters are in Macau, and our showroom is in Dongguan. Leather is one of the most durable natural materials on Earth. People have been using it for thousands of years to create beautiful craft. As a company, we believe in the future of our industry, and I believe in ISA. We are not only thinking of today, but also cultivating for a better tomorrow. Our people, machinery, and strategies, above all, are orchestrated for ages ahead. We have expertise in making footwear leather, but we never stay static. We are constantly moving and changing all the time. Now we also work on cut parts, laces, trims, belts, and even luxury leather and Italian leather. We have a global team from everywhere in the world. This gives us new inspiration and a better understanding of each other. Leather quality is always the first thing on my mind. But we never forget about the nature and environment that surrounds us. We use natural daylight and solar energy to power our workspace. Our bamboo walls function as an air conditioner and ventilation system. To clean wastewater, we have engineered wetland systems. And for processing, we use recycled rainwater out of our lagoons. In short, we have focused on all types of renewable energy. This is where our LITE concept comes from. Our mission is simple: to preserve water and energy. It is also of great importance that no effluent of hazardous chemicals is created in our supply chain. They are not even allowed to enter the factory. Although none of these restricted substances has been used, we are still meeting the global standard of different functionalities. Looking back, I am so proud of what I have accomplished over the last 15 years and what is to come, especially when I see the 60% growth of ISA in the past 5 years. We are the brand behind the brand who strives for greatness.